Yes, I'm Okelo John Bosco, the head teacher at Lapata Primary School in Batasap County. I would like to thank the Ministry of Education and Sports in partnership with the River Flow International for the initiative they have taken to improve science teaching in all schools in the country, especially in the Dokolo district, and the Office of the District Education Officer for choosing our school among the first 20 schools to be given the science kit to be used in all primary schools in the district. Also want to thank the First Lady, the Minister of Education and Sports in the country, for the initiative she has taken to improve on the learning and teaching of sciences in schools. So we want to appreciate our office, and we also encourage her and the ministry to also involve other schools, all the schools, to improve our performance in sciences, and also to improve the welfare for science teachers, since science starts from primary schools. I'm so delighted for the initiative done. Thank you so much.